Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to another day of analysis of our S&P, Dow Jones and Nasdaq. So let's start with S&P. So looking at the daily chart, the S&P looks strong. As you can see, it has given a breakout from this level, which is 6,130, and it is moving towards 6,300, as I mentioned earlier. So looking at its 15-minute chart, it looks strong. And if you want to take a trade, please take a long trade, keeping your stop losses at 6,100, which is this level. Okay, so if the S&P opens anywhere between this level or little lower, you can take a long side futures trade, and you can hold it for 6,300, okay, for next month expiry. And for this month, you can, for this month's expiry, you can take it for 6,200. Okay, so S&P looks good and strong, as you can see in this. Let's look at its weekly chart. So yes, as you can see in the weekly chart also, it has given a very good breakout, and we have to see, still we have 2 days left for the weekly candle to close, and let's see how it closes, but it looks strong as of now. So let's go to the Nasdaq chart. Okay, so the Nasdaq also looks strong. It has closed above the resistance area of 22,100, and it has started closing above that. Let's look at its daily chart. As you can see on its daily chart, I believe there will be a pullback today or tomorrow, and then again it will continue the trend and it will try to reach the 23,000 level. Okay, so we are waiting for one more day, that is today or tomorrow. It will try to break this level, which is 22,200, and start running towards 23,000. This also looks good. You can take long in this, keeping your stop losses anywhere around this area, which is 2025. So you can keep this area as stop loss. If the Nasdaq opens anywhere here around this area or little gap up, you can try to long the Nasdaq and target for 23,000 for this month. Okay, now let's go to the Dow Jones. So, as I told you yesterday, that the Dow Jones is stuck in this area, which is the triangle. It's stuck in this, and it is consolidating. And yesterday's candle was little bullish. Okay, so we have to wait, I guess, for today as well, as it is still stuck in this area, and maybe on Friday, or I would say on Monday, it would give the breakout of this area. It can be downside or it can be upside. But looking at the Nasdaq and the S&P chart, yeah, I believe it will give upper breakout. So let's wait for that. And if by any chance it gives a breakout today, target is set, which is 45,000. Okay, so let's go to the 15-minute chart. As we can see, it was sideways yesterday, opening up here. It came down and then making a W pattern. It went up. Okay, so it closed around anywhere between. So it opened here, came like this, formed a W pattern, and closed at the upper level, which we find that the buyers are showing interest in the later sessions. Okay, so this also looks good, but we can take futures trade in S&P and Nasdaq. Okay, this is my suggestion. If you like the video, please comment on it. Please subscribe my channel. Please follow it. Please share it with your friends, and follow for more suggestions, more analysis like this. Thank you.